how to get them engaged and how to really get valuable information and inputs from them. Like you get a valuable input from a sensor saying, "Hey, this is trending high. We should do something about it." How do you engage the people to input that type of data as well?
Yeah, that's a good question, right? Because we're talking about pulling information from the machines, but hey, like you said, a person can be out there on the shop floor and realize, "Uh-oh, this is an anomaly," right? I think that's where it comes down to if you have first of all, you got to have that team that wants to, help the situation as a whole, right? They got to be looking for those things. You got to have that culture in place. Once you're there, you got to have a tool that makes it easy, right? There are a lot of very cumbersome tools out there that take a quite a bit of training to figure out how to use. I think in this digital age, an easy way to think about it is it's like, hey, make it as easy as it is to like use your smartphone. Have a smartphone app where you can bring it up, you can enter that issue and get it assigned to the right person, right? And that's what a modern, let's say, digital maintenance platform does, right? So, once you get that culture in place, and if you want to get inputs from the people that are part of this, you got to give them an easy tool to do that.